Olandria's journey on Love Island has been nothing short of explosive. From the moment she walked into the villa, she carried an energy that made people stop and stare, but also whisper behind her back. To many, she seemed like the confident, glamorous newcomer who had it all figured out. But what most viewers didn't realize is that Olandria's story started long before the cameras rolled. Behind the glitz and the flirty smiles lies a history filled with struggles, shocking rumors, and decisions that continue to spark heated conversations online. And while the world sees her as just another reality TV star, those who dig deeper know there's much more to her than meets the eye. But as you'll see, Olandria's past and present are woven with secrets that could change the way fans view her forever. Long before Olandria ever set foot on Love Island, her life was already marked by challenges and whispers. Born into a family that often struggled to make ends meet, Olandria grew up knowing the value of resilience. Friends from her past describe her as ambitious, someone who always wanted more than the small world she was born into. She dreamed of fame, fashion, and a lifestyle far removed from the everyday struggles she saw around her. But ambition often comes with a price. For Olandria, Love Island wasn't just a show, it was the golden ticket she had been chasing for years. Long before the cameras caught her dramatic entrances and late night conversations, she had been building her image carefully on social media. Every photo, every caption, every public appearance felt like a calculated step toward a bigger stage. So when she finally walked into the villa, Olandria wasn't just another contestant. She was a woman with a plan. Instantly, she turned heads. The way she carried herself, the confidence in her tone, and the boldness of her choices made her stand out in a sea of equally attractive singles. But fame is a double edged sword. While viewers couldn't stop talking about her charm, confidence, and undeniable beauty, there was also an undercurrent of suspicion. Some believed she was playing the game too perfectly, as if she was more concerned with screen time than with finding love. And those doubts only grew stronger as Olandria's journey inside the villa began to collide with her personal life outside of it. It didn't take long for Olandria to become the center of the villa's drama. Whether it was her fiery arguments, her bold romantic choices, or the way she seemed to always steal the spotlight, she quickly became one of the most talked about contestants of the season. Viewers were divided. Some adored her fearless confidence, while others accused her of being manipulative and playing dirty to stay relevant. Then came the rumors. Whispers spread online that Olandria may have entered the villa with unfinished business back home, including speculation about a secret partner waiting outside the show. Fans also dug up old social media posts that painted a very different picture of who she really was. Every move she made on screen seemed to fuel the fire, with gossip pages dissecting her relationships, friendships, and even her fashion choices. But the biggest controversy of all wasn't about love or style, it was about authenticity. Was Olandria really there to find a genuine connection, or was she simply chasing fame? This question followed her through every twist and turn in the villa, and for many, it remains unanswered. Yet, what happened after the cameras stopped rolling would prove even more explosive than anything that took place under the villa's bright lights. When the season ended, Olandria stepped out of the villa and straight into a world that was both glamorous and unforgiving. Overnight, she became a household name. Brand deals, event invites, and magazine features poured in, making her one of the season's breakout stars. For a moment, it seemed like she had achieved everything she had dreamed of. But fame comes with a shadow. Alongside the praise, Olandria faced relentless backlash. Critics accused her of being fake. Tabloids ran stories questioning her motives, and online trolls picked apart every move she made. The same confidence that had made her magnetic on the show was now being twisted into a weapon against her. Still, Olandria refused to disappear quietly. She leaned into the spotlight, using her platform to build influence and silence her doubters. Yet, with every public appearance, new rumors emerged. From alleged feuds with former castmates to speculation about relationships that blurred the line between publicity stunts and reality. And just when it seemed like the noise was settling down, Olandria found herself at the center of fresh gossip that no one saw coming. If Olandria thought life after Love Island would calm down, she was wrong. In fact, the gossip surrounding her has only intensified. Recently, rumors surfaced of a high profile feud with another reality star, a clash that spilled onto social media, where cryptic posts and not so subtle shade had fans dissecting every word. Some claim the drama was staged for attention, while others insist the tension is very real. And then there's her love life. Just when followers thought she had finally found stability, speculation began swirling about secret breakups, late night rendezvous, and even an alleged love triangle that has tabloids buzzing. The more Olandria tries to keep her personal life private, the more determined people seem to be to uncover the truth. On top of that, whispers of past behavior have resurfaced, with old acquaintances coming forward to set the record straight. From accusations of betrayal to claims she used people on her way up, these stories have given critics new ammunition. Whether they're true or exaggerated hardly matters, because the headlines alone are enough to keep Olandria trending. And with each new scandal, one question becomes harder to ignore. Is Olandria still in control of her narrative, or has the drama taken control of her? Behind the headlines, the Instagram perfect photos, and the endless rumors, there's still the question that fans can't seem to answer. Who is the real Olandria? Is she the ambitious woman who carefully built her way from small town beginnings to national fame? Or is she the cunning strategist critics claim she is, someone who views relationships and drama as stepping stones to bigger opportunities? Her public image is polished, curated, and larger than life. But those who've worked with her paint a more complex picture. Some describe her as kind, driven, and fiercely loyal to the people she trusts. Others argue that she's calculated, always one step ahead, and never afraid to cut ties if it benefits her career. What makes Olandria so fascinating and so polarizing is that both versions might be true. Like many reality stars, she lives in the space between perception and reality, where authenticity is questioned and every move is magnified. And whether you love her or hate her, one thing is undeniable: Olandria knows how to keep people talking. But if the past is any clue, the story of Olandria is far from over. Olandria's journey has been anything but ordinary. From her humble beginnings to her explosive rise on Love Island, she has turned controversy, heartbreak, and gossip into fuel for her fame. Every scandal seems to make her more recognizable. Every rumor keeps her name in circulation, and every feud only strengthens her position in the spotlight. Yet, with fame built on both admiration and backlash, her future remains unpredictable. Will she reinvent herself beyond the world of reality TV, proving her critics wrong and building a lasting career? Or will the endless cycle of drama eventually overshadow everything else she has achieved? One thing is clear: Olandria has mastered the art of staying relevant. Love her or hate her, she's a figure you can't ignore. And as long as the cameras and the gossip blogs keep watching, her story is far from finished. So, what do you think? Is Olandria a misunderstood star fighting for her place in the world, or a reality TV villain who thrives on chaos? One thing's for sure: the next chapter of her life, and that's Olandria's story. A journey filled with ambition, scandals, and an unstoppable drive to stay in the spotlight. But if you thought her path was dramatic, wait until you hear about one of the most unexpected love stories in sports history. What if I told you that Cristiano Ronaldo, one of the world's most famous athletes, didn't meet the love of his life at a Hollywood party or an exclusive VIP club, but in the most ordinary place imaginable: a clothing store? A global superstar worth hundreds of millions walked in as just another customer. And what happened next would change his life forever. Their romance has been painted as a fairy tale, but the truth? It's far more complicated, filled with jealousy, harsh headlines, and shocking rumors that almost tore them apart. If you want the real story of Ronaldo and Georgina and the secrets they tried to keep hidden, don't miss our previous video. Trust me, you'll want to see how it all unfolded. Until next time, thanks for watching. And remember, the truth behind the spotlight is always more shocking than it seems. If you enjoyed this video, just like and share it. And for more updates like this, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.